Hello guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech. So in this video tutorial, we will learn a bit about how to use the subplot command within the MATLAB. So before going towards the subplot, you must know that for what we are using subplot. Okay, so sometimes there are more than one graph within the same program. Like we want to display some multiple graphs on the same figure and at the same time, so we need subplot command for this purpose. Okay, now we will declare our time variable 0 colon 0.01 colon 5. Why it is so? Because we at least need one vector to plot our signal on that vector. So here it is our time vector. We just declare it with any variable like time or t or anything like that. Okay, so it starts from 0, it ends at 5, and it has a step size of 0.01. Like every element of this time variable is having the difference of 0.01. Like it starts from 0, its second element is 0.01, its third element is 0.02, and fourth element is 0.03. So now we are going to plot our sine wave or sine function on this vector variable, that is time. So what it will do, sine function will take the sine of each and every element of this time vector and store all the values inside the siner. Then we need to write plot of siner. Okay, but this is a single graph, and if you want to graph multiple graphs on the same figure, we need subplot command, subplot 311. So what it means that there must be 3 rows and 1 column, and on the top row or first row our graph will be displayed on the first row. Okay, now we will run it, and here you can see that our first what's called is the our first graph is on the top. But one more thing that you must keep in your mind, that first you need to write subplot and then plot. This is very essential to show the graph like this. Okay, then in the second line we want to display one square wave in the second plot. So for it we just need to write any variable, that is sqr, then square of time. Okay, now what it will do, it will take the square function or square wave function of every variable. Okay, then we are going to write subplot 312. So what it will do, subplot 312 in third row and first column, this is for total rows and column, and 2 is the second plot. Like it will be after first row, in the second row it will be plotted. So now we will write plot of sqr. Now we will run, and here you can see that it is displayed. Now for third we can write like saw. So SAW is equal to saw tooth of time and subplot 313 and plot of saw. Okay, now, and also if you want to change the color with the help of this color property, that is, now it is magenta, so we will run it, and here you can see that we have plotted our 3 signals. So hopefully you got the concept. Now you can try this in your MATLAB. So thanks for visiting our channel.